Hello, I am Suzette, Dream Team member here at Art Anthology. Today, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful journal page using Art Anthology coloration sprays. Gather your supplies and let's get started. To begin, you will need your coloration sprays in whatever colors you choose. I am using grape, salmon, and radar. You will also need your art journal or a heavy paper such as watercolor paper or mixed media paper. You will also need a piece of plastic from packaging or a craft mat. Spray your inks onto the plastic packaging or your craft mat. Now place your paper face down in the ink and rub. Lift to reveal a fabulous background. Set this aside to dry thoroughly. Okay, now we're going to use our stamp and stamp the background. I'm going to use these Gina Waithe stamps I have. So we just use our ink pad, stamp this up. You can use your block if you like. I like to use this because I can stamp it more than once if need be. So I ink that up. Press down. There we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some doodles to it. I'm gonna give it a little frame. I'm just doing this by freehand. And I think we can add a sentiment here and maybe some white splashes. Okay, now we're going to add a silver splatter. So you're going to need an old toothbrush, some water, and some silver paint. And it's very thick because it's old, so I'm just going to water it down. See if I can get it to work. Okay, great. So now I'm going to cover right here the stamp because I don't want that with silver. And get my paint and just splatter. That part's a bit big, so I'm just going to remove that one. And go ahead and add some more. When you're happy with it, you can just dry it with your heat gun or set it aside. Alright, to finish up this one, I stamped this little quote, and I'm just going to cut out the words. Okay, great. So we're just going to use this and wipe my hands. Okay, let's arrange them now. Let's live like tomorrow doesn't exist. Perfect. So let's just glue them in place and we're all done. And we're just going to use the same ink pad. Just go around the edges here. Just to ground it. Giving her something to stand on. And then just the edges on the way up. And there we go, all done.